In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the voice ID of any voice in ElevenLabs. To get started, open ElevenLabs and log into your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure everything has fully loaded so you can easily navigate the interface without missing any menu options. This is important because the voice ID is tied to a specific voice in your account or in the voice library. So you'd want to be in the right section before copying anything. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Voices tab. This is where ElevenLabs keeps all voice-related options, including voices you've saved, created, or explored. After opening that section, you'll usually see areas such as Explore or My Voices. Which one you use depends on where the voice is located. If the voice is one you've already added or created, go to My Voices. If you are trying to find a voice from the broader library, check the Explore section instead. Once you are in the correct area, locate the specific voice you want to use. It helps to read the voice names carefully so you choose the correct one, especially if you have several similar voices in your library. If needed, pause for a second and confirm you are selecting the exact voice tied to your project, since copying the wrong voice ID can cause issues later when you use it in automations, integrations, or external tools. When you've found the voice, look for the three dots icon next to it. This is the options menu for that voice. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. Inside that menu, you'll see several actions related to the selected voice. From there, choose Copy Voice ID as soon as you click that option. The voice ID will be copied to your clipboard. That means you can now paste it wherever you need it, whether that's into a script, an app, a workflow, or another platform that connects with ElevenLabs. A good tip here is to paste it immediately into a safe working document or directly into the tool you are using, just to avoid accidentally overwriting your clipboard with something else. And that's it. Thanks for watching.